Hello, my name is EdTpa, and this is our group lesson plan done by myself, Shanice, Guana, the group leader, Jillian, and Narita. Everybody did a wonderful job. Kudos to you guys. ELA lesson is our lesson is ELA. We have first grade and 12 to 1-to-1 category. In this classroom, we have a focused learner with hearing and speech impairment. The topic for the lesson is the crayon box that talked, and this is the brief introduction of the lesson. We use New York State standards done by Guana for reading, so they are all listed. Here we use the objective is done by Shanice. Our objective is to teach the kids to recognize, accept, respect, and appreciate individual differences, and to learn to work together cooperatively. And we have materials. These are the materials that we need for the lesson. We'll be using Read Aloud YouTube video, the book itself, and some worksheets, and the rest of them. And here we have vocabulary words. These are the words that we expect them to know at the end of the lesson, and they will be focusing on these words. And we have the vocabulary worksheet that they will need for the words, the vocabulary words. Here we have the mini lesson. The mini lesson is introducing the lesson to the classroom before the lesson begins, getting them familiarized to the lesson, preparing them to know what's coming. So it's basically it. And then here we have procedure done by Guana. Procedure is a step-by-step how we are going to present the lesson to the students. And here we have modification. Modifications explains how the lesson will be modified for the focused learner, the special needs kids that we have in the classroom with hearing and speech impairment. So, and here are the devices needed for the focused learner. We have the speech device, we have hearing aid. So the speech device will be used to answer yes or no question and other questions that the special need may have for better communication. Here we have special need categories. This is done by myself. This is explaining how we are going to modify the lesson to fit the needs of the special kid in the room. And then it's also the IEP goal is also stated in this part. And then how we're going to assist the special need kid rather. And here, well, we have assessment. We're using formative assessment, which is formal and informal assessment. We will ask them questions, and then we will give them some work to do to actually writing it on the paper. So just to know if they really understand the lesson. And this is another the worksheet we're using for the assessment. And this is the conclusion done by myself and Jillian. So we're just saying that no matter where you come from, no matter what people look like, you just have to learn to respect and accept people the way they are. And it's very important because it's a life lesson. This lesson, they have to know how to deal with people, because people cannot be the same. no matter where you come from, but you just have to learn to accept people and respect them for who they are, and learn to work together so that you can make a successful ending. Thank you.